Some places become famous because of where they are, others because of what they've meant to people who've lived beside them. For over a century, the Transporter Bridge carried generations of Teessiders across the River Tees. Today, nobody crosses it. Closed since 2019, it still dominates the skyline, still appears in photographs and remains one of Middlesbrough's defining landmarks. But for the first time in its history, its future hangs in the balance. Engineers are trying to discover whether it can be given another lifetime. Because the question is no longer how this bridge was built, it's whether Middlesbrough can, or should, save it. When it opened in 1911, this wasn't a monument. It was a solution. The River Tees was one of Britain's busiest industrial waterways. Ships needed to pass, while thousands of workers needed to reach the other side. So Middlesbrough built something remarkable. A bridge that carried people beneath its steel frame, while the river remained open for business. And the bridge Middlesbrough first knew wasn't blue. It was originally painted red, before changing colour in the 1960s. Another generation would come to know a slightly different bridge. My own dad crossed it every working day during his time as an apprentice at a local shipyard. For him and others, this wasn't the landmark as we know it now. It was simply the journey to work. And perhaps that's how places become part of a town's identity. Not through grand occasions, but through thousands of ordinary journeys. Although the bridge stands silent today, its story doesn't. Just a few yards away, a small visitor centre preserves the story of one of Teesside's greatest engineering achievements. Helping visitors understand not just how the bridge worked, but why it mattered. Nearby stands the dock clock tower. It has 3 clock faces, not 4. Local tradition says the missing face once looked towards the workers on the river, so they couldn't spend the day clock watching. Whether that's fact or folklore, it's one more reminder of the town this bridge was built to serve. Since closing in 2019, specialist engineers have been studying the bridge in extraordinary detail, mapping stresses and weaknesses invisible to the naked eye. The work being considered isn't simply a repair. Much of the bridge would need to be carefully dismantled, restored and rebuilt, giving it decades more life. Current estimates put that work at around £60 million. It's an extraordinary sum, but this was never an ordinary bridge. It has already survived far longer than the people who built it ever imagined. The question now isn't whether it has earned another lifetime, it's whether we believe it's worth giving it one. The engineers will finish their surveys, reports will be written and decisions will be made. But perhaps the biggest question isn't one engineers can answer. For more than a century, the Transporter Bridge connected 2 sides of the River Tees. Now, disconnected from the town it helped build, it faces the biggest question of its existence. Has it become too valuable to lose, or too expensive to save?